Why will metal laser cutters remain dominant in the next decade? In the field of industrial manufacturing, metal laser cutters will remain firmly established in the next 10 years. This is by no means an empty claim. As the mainstream equipment for metal cutting, metal laser cutters occupy a crucial market position, with their remarkable advantages of high flexibility, fast cutting speed, high production efficiency, and short product production cycle. Take the Baiwei metal laser cutter as an example. It combines numerous advantages. Superior cutting quality. The heat-affected zone is extremely small. The cutting surface is smooth, free of burrs and slag inclusions, eliminating the need for secondary processing. Highly efficient and precise cutting. Resistant to environmental interference. It offers extremely high precision and can achieve continuous and stable output in a short time. Baiwei 12 kW can easily cut steel plates with a thickness less than 40 in batches. Good cost effectiveness. It not only effectively reduces production costs, but also features safety and environmental friendliness.
Nice.